Immediately. Here is your question. If you are crowned the next Sias Nanumblon, what project would you execute within the next 6 months? And why?
First of all, to be crowned as your Lias Norablon 2024 would definitely be my honor. I actually have this vision of promoting and encourage Romblon to be turned into a wellness travel destination. Wellness tourism is a type of tourism that focuses on promoting well-being while also providing opportunities for self-growth and self-actualization. For example, retreat center, gyms, spas, art studios, yoga studios, and many more. In today's fast-paced world, people are increasingly looking for activities that are People are increasingly looking for ways to escape their daily lives and engage in activities that are actually enjoyable and rejuvenating at the same time whilst enjoying nature. And I am very much confident that Romblon is very fitting to be offering this kind of tourism, not only with all of our warm-hearted and hospitable Romblomanons, just like how warm-hearted all the Calatrabahanons are with our stay here, but of course with all of our world-class beaches and mountains that are naturally and undeniably beautiful as it is. Of course, wellness tourism will not only benefit the tourists, it will also help uplift the lives and the spirit of our locals, our youth, and our economy as a whole. Once again, to be crowned as Rias Rublan 2024, I will promote Rublan as wellness travel destination, and it will make tourists come back for more. Thank you.
With an answer coming from candidate number 11, seems like we are hosting an international president job.